Ciao, it's pizza time!
Add 200 grams of a mature sourdough starter into 310 grams of water and mix them together. Mix 450 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of whole grain flour and 50 grams of salt. Then combine the two bases together. Knead the dough well and put it back into the bowl with 50 grams of olive oil. Let it rest for 1 hour. After that, fold it into itself to incorporate the oil and knead it until smooth.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.
Divide it in 4 pieces.
Turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuci.
Fold each piece forming balls.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tucino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini.
Place them on a tray with baking paper and flour. Let them rest for 4 hours at room temperature, then 16 hours in the fridge. The next day, let them rest 2 hours at room temperature. To remove the dough from the tray, cut the paper and flip it on the flour.
Quei panacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso.
To shape the pizza, push your fingers into the dough in a round motion, leaving the middle part and the border untouched. The border should be 1 finger thick.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto.
Make sure there is enough flour under the dough. Turn the pizza with one end, while keeping its left part with the other one. Like this, the pizza will take a disc shape. Turn it like I'm showing on the flour.
L'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del
Then you can season it with your favorite toppings. My suggestion is to not exaggerate with the tomato sauce. 3-4 spoons are enough.
colonnevi e salioni al concerto di tromboni, di bombate e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei panacchini,
I use mozzarella, shredded Emmental and Parmesan.
non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante, non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno.
Bake it on a pizza stone preheated at the maximum temperature. My oven reaches 250 degrees. Be sure that the stone is really hot before baking the pizza. It will take 7-8 minutes for you to enjoy it.
Narcisetto ad uncino d'amor, che Robin alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, che Robin alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Leave any questions in the comment. I will answer as soon as I can.